Alright everyone, this is the video for this coins winner's choice. Top spot gets to choose between this 1882 $5 gold piece or the 1882 Carson City Morgan. We are live. 11:58. 11:58. List here. We got 10 entries. Roy on the top, Pete on the bottom. You need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 11:58. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, we got Pete. You must go 8. Good luck. 11:59. 11:59. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this winner's choice. Congratulations goes to spot 8, Jared. Congratulations, Jared. Send me a PM with your shipping information, and I'll get this coin out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 11:59. 11:59. Congratulations, Jared. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good afternoon. Take care.